So, Storm and I have decided to, YEG Storm, pardon me, have decided to visit Capilano Park and the Off the Leash Trail. Well, where a lot of it's off the leash as far as I understand. It's kind of challenging to understand some of this. But there's actually a warm-up station there. Storm, let's go show off a bit. Come here. Storm. Hey, dude. Come on. Show you got good behaviors, not bad ones. So, of course, your drink containers go there, and littering is rubbish. So this is the Capital City Recreation Park. And Storm, there are some picnic places back there, you see. There's places to have campfires. Then we have some tables here for picnicking and stuff. And down there is the river. And in here, there is, well, a couple of things. There's a place where a grill there that can be loaded up and lit as well. There's a men's and a ladies' washroom and a warm-up area. And we are, of course, right on the North Saskachewan River. So there's a trail that goes that way, along the bottom of, Storm! Along the bottom of Goldbar area. And apparently, I think that trail down there is closed, supposedly. Now, we're not quite sure of that because the gate isn't really across the trail. Oh, I see. That one's kind of challenging to figure out. Because the gate looks to be open. And... whoa! And this is the off-the-leash area. Whoops. So, there's the rules. And the trail seems to be open today. Wow, we're like right at the river. So, trail goes that way. And really hard to figure out where the trail is. Storm! Looks to be... Really, dude? Wow. At least you're not dropping a deuce. Storm! Storm! Come on! This guy really likes the off-the-leash thing. And, of course, being challenging. And apparently, he's not good at trails. He makes his own. You coming, Storm? Oh, that looks like, yeah. Every time I pull out a video camera, you like to, drop a deuce. Thanks, man. I much appreciate that. Maybe you could hold the camera for a bit? Maybe we'll just pause this. Well, now that we have our bag of gold, we will head east down the riverbank. Well, the off-the-leash trail. You coming, Storm? Come on, dude. Thought you were a runner. Go find a stick. Yes, you're just so nosy. You got to find out about every dog that came here, huh? Wasn't that interrupting your exercise program, dude? That up there is a walking bridge across to Rundle Park. It goes from Goldbar Park, which is on the south side of the river, over to, I'm pretty sure it's Rundle Park. Actually, I think a brother of mine jumped off of it at one time as the police were about to arrest him at a festival or something like that. Yeah, sort of a misspent youth. Nice trail. Are you upset there's not deep snowstorm? Oh, you really run, boy. Hey? Yeah, you good boy nowadays. As we can see, Storm is getting better and better at listening. And apparently wants to look at the river. Hey? What do you think, dude? I don't know. Hey, Storm! Storm! You fell face first into the snow, didn't you? That's kind of funny. Huh? Storm! Storm! Come on. Come on up here. You're going to have a hard time, huh? Am I going to have to come get you? Come on. You did it. You got yourself in it. You can get yourself out of it. Good man. There you go. Dude really likes the snow and loves freedom off the leash. And I like a good night's sleep, so it's a good compromise for me to get him some exercise. Besides, I thought he was getting kind of chunky. Went to my doctor's and do some work at his house, and yeah, the doctor called him fat. I thought he meant pretty hot and tempting. Right, Storm? Hey, Storm? Hey, dude, you want a treat? You want a treat? What have you done for me lately? What have you done for me lately? Can you sit? Can you sit, Storm? Storm, sit. Wow, that took a while, dude. Okay, that was a cookie. How about, what? Hey, Storm, you want a treat? You want a treat? Here. I want to see how tall you are. Hold on. You like those duck and sweet potato ones, eh? So let us continue our little adventure down the riverbank. And we end up, I think, behind the waste treatment plant. Not exactly sure. Storm! Storm! So yeah, he's got to get a stick. Are you going to bring the stick? This would be the end of the off-the-leash area at the, I think there's a boat launch here on the North Saskachewan River of YEG, Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And so this has been Storm. Oh, no way, actually. I think that, it's off the leash. You're on leash just for the boat launch. I see. Now I think I sorted it out. Which is, yeah. Look at that sign. So you need to put your dog on a leash, apparently, for 30 feet or so. 50 feet. Oh, look at that. There's a spot I can get rid of. Storm's little gift. Look at that. There's even poop pickup bags. Oh my God. You gotta love Practica.ca. And here is our share the trail. It's under 1 kilometer. We can do that. And it's all off the leash. So this will be a quick lunchtime walk for Storm and myself. Now, I think maybe I'll stop the video because we've learned all we can about the Capilano Park and Goldbar Park off leash area or trail. Thank you very much and have a great day. This has been YEG Storm. Hey, Storm! 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 Dude! 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 Hey, Storm! Storm! Yeah, the listening skills? Yeah, out the window. Have a great day now.